This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Tackett. 3-bedroom townhouse in popular Riverwalk Townes end unit. Open plan floor plan with granite counters and gas range. 3 generously sized bedrooms. Primary bedroom with walk-in closet and full bathroom. Tile floors in the bathrooms and hardwood floors. Attached garage and extra parking spaces. Completely maintenance-free community, yard and exterior maintenance included in HOA fee. Enjoy a short stroll to the community pool and exercise room. For more information, review the details below.